Type 2 diabetes. Even if you don't take insulin, you might require it at unique times, such as during pregnancy or if you remain in the health center. You also might need medicines for high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or other conditions. Discover more about medicines, insulin, and other diabetes treatments. What health issues can individuals with diabetes establish? Following an excellent diabetes care strategy can assist protect against numerous diabetes-related illness. Slimming down if you are obese or overweight can enhance NAFLD. Diabetes is also linked to other health issues such as sleep apnea, anxiety, some types of cancer, and dementia. You can take steps to lower your chances of establishing these diabetes-related illness. How can I reduce my possibilities of developing type 2 diabetes? Research study such as the Diabetes Avoidance Program, sponsored by the National Institutes of Health, has shown that you can take actions to decrease your possibilities of establishing type 2 diabetes if you have threat aspects for the disease. 1. For circumstances, if you weigh 200 pounds, your goal would be to lose about 10 to 14 pounds. Get at least 30 minutes of exercise, such as strolling, at least 5 days a week. If you have not been active, talk with your healthcare expert about which activities are best. Consume smaller-sized parts to reduce the quantity of calories you eat each day and assist you reduce weight. Selecting foods with less fat is another method to decrease calories. Drink water instead of sweetened drinks. Ask your healthcare team what other changes you can make to avoid or postpone type 2 diabetes. Start with your video game plan to prevent type 2 diabetes. According to Diabetes Prevention Program Research Study Group. Long-term results of lifestyle intervention are metformin on diabetes advancement and microvascular complications over 15-year follow-up, the Diabetes Avoidance Program Outcomes Study. You can discover more information about this research study on the Diabetes Prevention Program Outcomes Study site. Summary: Type 2 diabetes is a disability in the way the body regulates and utilizes sugar, glucose, as a fuel. This long-lasting, persistent condition leads to excessive sugar flowing in the bloodstream. Eventually, high blood glucose levels can cause conditions of the circulatory, anxious and immune systems. In type 2 diabetes, there are primarily two interrelated problems at work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the link in description for our recommendations.